So, hi guys!
Hi!
Well, Christmas is coming, so...
Yay, Christmas!
This week we prepared a special video.
As you can see, we have food in front of us, yes.
We have some Christmas pastry here.
And Christmas cookies and mince pies.
Yeah, and basically we wanted to compare traditional Czech, British and American pastry and
cookies.
Yeah.
Because well, Czech people love baking at Christmas. We bake a lot of different Christmas pastry. We are not the only ones. Everybody in the world bakes, but something different.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wanted to taste everything, compare, and basically decide what's better, what's the best, not
what's
better,
the best,
what's the best.
So
after that we will have a sugar coma.
Yeah.
Because that's just a lot of sugar. A lot of sugar. But that's Christmas, I guess.
It comes with Christmas, so it's normal during the holidays, to eat a lot of sugar.
And you know what? Once a year it's okay.
Yeah.
It's absolutely okay.
Yeah. So we chose one specific type from each country because every country has got a lot of different, but we just chose one typical representative.
Super typical. So where do we start?
What's here?
What's here? Because I'm the cook. I was the cook actually. I was the chef. Pastry chef in the kitchen. Okay, so here is typical Czech. So in English, it's short crust pastry, to us known as linecké. Okay, as you can see, it's really big, but hopefully it's good. This is typical British. It's called mince pie. You can see different mince pies. These ones are with almonds on top, and there is always some dried fruit inside, a lot of raisins. It's super sweet, but hopefully delicious.
Okay.
In America, it's really interesting. They always bake some Christmas cookies, and I feel like every family has their own recipes for different Christmas cookies. So you can see gingerbread, I don't know, some chocolate crinkle cookies or different. These ones are called sugar cookies, and they are probably the most popular. Okay, so usually they are more colorful, like a lot of different colors, a lot of different sprinkles on top, decorations. I was lazy. Sorry, I was just lazy. So I used typical royal icing, just white royal icing on top. Sorry, maybe next year. So, which one do you want to taste first?
Well, I would probably start with the American ones because they're closest to me, and I already know the Czech ones, the short crust bread.
This will be the last. Okay, so we will start from here, so you can see different shapes. So which one do you want?
I will take the stocking.
You will take the stocking. I will take the candy cane because it's small. It's super cute.
Yeah, it's a nice small.
Okay. It's soft. Sorry.
Very nice, very soft, very sweet.
Super sweet.
Yeah.
That's why they're called sugar cookies. A lot of sugar on top, but it's really soft.
I love it.
Perfect cookies.
It's really good. If you want to try them, we'll put some recipe down in the description.
We will
of course, in English. So we'll have to, try and go through the
grams, milliliters, and everything.
Hopefully,
because
if I can
I found a lot of recipes, but with cups and tablespoons and everything. So I had to,
calculate it
a little bit. So, but they turned out great. I have to say, these are really good. Okay. So let's try the mince pies.
Okay.
These can be served hot, these ones, or cold. It doesn't matter. They are already baked, so you can eat them cold. But if you want to go a little bit fancier, you can bake them in the oven for 10 minutes. Yeah. I have to say I didn't bake these, okay? I didn't bake them. I bought them.
Yeah.
I bought them in a British shop because it was just too much for me.
Like they look quite fancy, so I would say there's a lot of work behind it.
Oh boy!
But we have heated them up, so they are warm, and I've never tried them.
I don't know if you want to see, but there are different layers.
Yeah.
I'm actually shocked because usually I know
layers, yeah.
I know mince pies with only dried fruit, but there is a layer of dried fruit, like raisins. I don't really like raisins, but these are good, and some kind of cake on top.
Yeah, it's delicious. I love it. Like, guys, I don't bake. I don't know how to bake. I really don't know anything about baking. So,
I think there is some alcohol in it.
Yeah, probably.
The raisins.
But to me, it looks. This looks terribly complicated to me. Like, you know, all those different layers.
I'm sure it's not, but
it looks like
for
a lot
somebody
of work.
who doesn't bake,
exactly,
it looks really, really complicated.
Like,
but what I want to say that you probably know Christmas pudding. That's the typical British dessert. Everybody makes it. Not a lot of people like it. So it's really typical. And again, a lot of dried fruit, especially raisins, and with some alcohol. And interesting thing is that if you want a really good Christmas pudding, you should start making it now, but eat it next year. It matures. It matures over the time. So, okay, the best ones are like 1 year old. Because it's like it's dried fruit and I don't know what else, but there is alcohol, you know, so it sucks everything inside, you know, it's a great mixture. So
how do you store it? Like,
it's somewhere cold. I'm not sure. I never made it, but somewhere in cold. Sometimes probably you just mix it again. But 1 year old, like some British people just make it like a year ahead, or you can make it a month ahead, 6 months ahead. Actually, when you go to a British shop, you can buy Christmas pudding, and you can see that there is like measured for 6 months. 3 months. You know, so it's just interesting. It's interesting.
Nice. I love these. I really love these.
Me too.
A taste of Britain. Lovely.
And these are warm and with some cup of tea. Oh boy.
Yeah.
I don't like raisins, but these are good because there's some just cakey stuff on top. It's not bad.
I love raisins. Those, even when I was a kid, my grandma always used to have some raisins in the kitchen, in just one specific drawer. I knew where it was, so I would open it, and there was this package of you know, raisins, and oh my god! So even as a kid, I loved the raisins.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Nicely surprised, because when I had those abroad, full of raisins, I didn't like them.
Yeah.
So before I took this one, I was a little bit scared because I remember I was like, I remember I didn't really like these, but I love these particular ones.
Yeah, but it got stuck to my teeth, so I'll have to work on it, you know. So maybe I will finish it like throughout the evening. Yeah,
we have some more, but
these were really phenomenal. I love them.
Because I bought them. I didn't make them. Maybe that's why, but these are also good.
So let's try the Czech ones.
Okay, you go first.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm scared. You can see they're really homemade.
They're homemade.
Not perfect, but quite big. I didn't have a cookie cutter, so I used the smallest mug to cut them out.
Yeah.
But still, big.
For me, this is the perfect size. Like anything smaller, and it's just like why? What is it good for? Like when it's so tiny.
Excuse me. They are soft.
They're nice and soft.
To be honest, I made them a couple weeks ago. So
they've had the time, you know, to soften. Yeah, they're wonderful. I love them. What kind of marmalade is in there?
Red currant.
Oh, red currant marmalade.
It's a typical one. Because the cookie is a little bit sweet. So you need something to balance it, you know. So something sour, like sweet and sour. So red currant jam is the best, in my opinion.
It's delicious. They're soft. They are nice, beautiful.
I'm proud of myself right now.
You can be.
No, I should be.
Yeah. Because I believe this is my favorite. Like, the British ones were really good.
Really?
Yeah. The American ones, they are very sweet, but like nice, soft, sweet, not bad, but somewhat boring, you know, like I'm missing something extra on it, like some marmalade or something, you know. The British ones are nice,
These
complex.
are made for decorating, so that's the whole point, you know. You can make them like 2 days before Christmas because they are soft immediately and you have to eat them immediately. So you don't have to wait. Like with this, you have to make it, then just put it aside and then put it together, you know, with the jam and then put it aside and then inside and then they are soft, you know. But so you have a favorite, so it's this one.
Definitely. For me, it's definitely the Czech one.
I cannot decide.
Like all of them are good. But
all of them are absolutely amazing and delicious. So I have to go for the mince pies because I'm like nicely surprised that these are really, really good. Yeah. Because I think that's because there was some kind of cake inside as well, not only dried fruit, which I don't really like. So these were absolutely amazing, and I bought them.
And so especially as they were warm, it really felt
exactly
nice.
Exactly. Nice. So these are cold, so we can try later these, but I'm sure that I will just bite into it and put it into the oven because I'm like, okay, I need it warm.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's it.
So
that's it. I'm full. No, I'm not full actually. We're going to finish these, but off the camera.
Yeah.
Off the camera. And I
then
really enjoyed it.
Have some sugar coma probably, because it's a lot of sugar. Like I'm not used to eating so much pastry and so much sugar.
There's like 1 or 2 pieces.
Yeah.
I don't really make a lot of Christmas pastry around Christmas because I don't feel like Christmas should be only about food, but it's nice to have something nice. Okay, we always have a lot of food. It's absolutely normal. So, but this is really nice about Christmas because when you have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, or some mulled wine,
cocoa, some hot beverage.
You just want something nice and small, and that's what I like about Christmas pastry, about Christmas cookies. They're small. Yeah. So you can take 2-3 pieces. Or 2-3 handfuls. You know?
Yeah, 2-3 saucers. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's it.
So
that's it.
Thank you for watching us eating.
Yeah. We will put the recipes down below in the description box down below, and these I bought in a British shop. They are everywhere in Prague. So if you have a chance to go there, try them. It's not bad. And then you can tell us which ones are your favorites. Yeah, we would like to know. Or if you have some good recipes, because I love to bake. He doesn't, but I love to bake. So I would like to try some new recipes. For any Czech Christmas pastry, or if you have from your friends who live abroad or something special that we should definitely try, let us know.
The more exotic, the better.
Better. Okay, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, check us on Facebook, check our website. We have some new quizzes there, so you can test your English. And that's it.
That's it.
Okay, guys. So see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.